What does the Auburn family mean to me? Simply put, it means everything. Everything. Auburn's an institution that I love deeply, and I think you all know that.
This is indeed a great day in the life of Auburn University and a historic occasion for our institution.
We present to you today the President's Medallion. There's no one better for the job.
The ways in which this university improves our world is really countless, and the effort that we pour into our students can change the trajectory of people's lives.
I know that my fellow graduates and I leave Auburn in the hands of a leader who understands the value every student brings to our campus community.
He believes in the capacity of Auburn faculty to do extraordinary things.
We've earned the right to dream the biggest dreams. The work that we undertake matters.
We charge you with safeguarding Auburn's richest heritage and guiding its future.
I believe in educating the next generation of brilliant scholars and citizens who will serve the needs of Alabama and the nation and the world. And because Auburn men and women believe in these things, I believe in Auburn and love it. War Eagle.